SoFi Retirement Planner Honest review. SoFi, short for social finance, offer a range of financial services, including retirement planning through a SoFi investment platform. Their investment planning service are integrated within their broader investment offering, notable through the SoFi automated investment. And here is a quick review about the retirement planning services. So it comes with automated investing, which is a service provided by automated portfolio management tailored to individual financial goals, including retirement. User can set a specific objective, and platform construct and manage a diverse portfolio to align with those goals, and also they also give access to financial advisor. So a notable features in this complimentary access to certified financial planner, offering personalized guidance to help users navigate their retirement planning and offer financial matter. And also they offer the retirement accounts with benefit. SoFi supports various retirement accounts such as traditional round and SEP and RIPS. They also offer a 1% match on their RIA contribution, providing added incentive for retirement savers. And here is the advantages of this lifetime planning. So they also offer a low fee, which is SoFi automated investing charge a management fee of 0.25%, which is competitive compared to industry standard. Additionally, there are no trading and commission fee, making it cost effective for investors, and also it offers low minimum investment. The platform requires a minimum investment of $50, making it accessible to a broad range of investors, and also it comes with a user-friendly interface. SoFi platform is designed to ease of use, appealing to both new and experienced investors, and the integration of various financial services such as banking and investing provides a seamless user's experience. And here is a limitations about this planning. So it comes with limited retirement planning tools. So compared to some competitors, SoFi's platform lack advanced requirement planning calculator and tools, which might be a drawback for users seeking details of retirement project. And also it comes with no tax loss harvesting. The absence of tax loss harvesting features means users might miss out on potential tax efficiencies available with other advisors, and also basic research tools. The platform offers limited research and educational resources, which may not suffice for the investor seeking in-depth marketing analysis. And here's the conclusion of this whole entire investment planning tools. SoFi investment planning service embedded within their automated investing platform offer a cost-effective and user-friendly solution for individuals aiming to manage their retirement savings. The added benefits to access to financial advisor enhance the value proportion. And however, the platform is limited advanced planning tools, and research resources may prompt some users to consider supplementary service or alternative provider for a more comprehensive retirement planning experience. And that's it.